Here's a little bit about the history of the deodorants. The modern deodorants, way back in 1888, is when the first modern commercial deodorant called Mum was developed and patented by a US inventor in Philadelphia, in Pennsylvania, by the name of Edna Murphy. The small company was bought by Bristol Myers in 1931, and in the late 1940s, Helen Barnett Desernes developed an underarm applicator based on the newly invented ballpoint pen. In 1952, the company began marketing the product under the name Ban Roll-On. The product was briefly withdrawn from the market in the US, but it is once again available at the retailers in the US under the brand Ban. In the UK, it is sold under the names Mum Solid and Mum Pump Spray. Chatham acquired Ban deodorant brand in 1998 and subsequently sold it to the Cow Corporation in 2000. In 1903, the first commercial antiperspirant was Everdry. The modern formulation of the antiperspirant was patented by Jules Montagnier on the 28th of Jan 1941. The patent addressed the problem of the excessive acidity of aluminum chloride and its excessive irritation of the skin by combining it with a soluble nitrile or a similar compound. The formulation was first found in Stop It deodorant spray, which the Time magazine had called the best selling deodorant of the early 1950s. Stop It gained its prominence as the first and the long-time sponsor of the game What's My Line and was later eclipsed by many other brands as the 1941 patent expired.